Renee here again. Today I'm going to share with you the 3 keys to blogging success. Blogging's been around for a while now, but some people are like, oh, blogging is dead, or it's more about the social media, or this or that. But I must tell you that blogging is a really wonderful tool to utilize to grow any business. Because nowadays, people will actually do a Google search or go online for whatever it is that they want. And when you decide to start blogging, you need to know your why. Like if you have a specific niche or a market that you want to work, well then make sure that when you blog, you're providing all the value and information that you possibly can, and you're answering the questions that your particular audience want to know about. Be a solution provider. When they come to you with questions, think about the things that your audience, would have questions about, and make sure that you answer those questions in your blog and provide solutions and resources. So when you know who you're talking to, it's easy to provide their needs. But when you start a blog too, because it can get tedious over time, you want to know your why. Why are you blogging? Are you passionate about what you're blogging about? Do you have skills in that area? If you do, well then that's a great reason to start a blog in the first place. And aside from getting clear on your reason why, you want to have daily action steps. You want to plan out your material, even a week in advance could be really great. Just knowing that what you're going to do for that week will really work well for you. And once you do that and you get your blog going and people begin to get engaged, be consistent, stick to it. People love that. They will become, you're building trust. You will be an authority. It creates credibility, and they will know to go to your blog when they need information on that particular topic. So that's what I have to share with you today, but you go ahead and you click the link and check out the blog post that goes further into it. And if you want any other resources, go ahead and click the link, because I have a lot of free resources and tips to provide. Take care, and thanks for watching.